Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. On my recent trip to Udupi, I saw something which I really like a lot and which is not readily available for me here, and that is this Nenthrangai, or the banana, raw banana from which we make chips. This is different from the banana which we use for making side dishes as curries along with rice. That is different. This one is different. So this you can also ask for Kerala bananas or chips bananas. See, first of all, they are longer, and the difference is when you cut them, can you see? They are more yellowish color. Whereas our regular bananas which we use for curries will be white in color. So this is to make the yellow banana chips. So for that, first you take the banana and cut away the edges. Then see, you can see these ridges. Along these markings, just make slits. Don't cut into the banana, it should be just on the peel. Okay. Then it is very easy to remove the peel like this. I have kept some oil for heating. We have to deep fry these wafers or chips. See, I have peeled the bananas and kept them ready. You can see the color now, how it is different from the regular raw banana. Okay. Now for this, we are going to add salt while frying itself. Because if you add salt later and mix it, it may not be absorbed properly. So, you just take about 2 teaspoons of salt in a bowl. Add some water to it. Mix it well. Keep it aside. Now for slicing this, you must see that your slices are not too thin or too thick also. And we have to slice it directly into the oil. Today I am using only my regular sunflower oil for frying. Generally they use coconut oil in the south for making these banana wafers. Hold your slicer over the oil and slice these chips directly into the hot oil. Reduce the flame when you are slicing the chips so that your hands don't get too hot. Then after just about a minute, you take the salt dissolved in water, take a spoon of that and add it to the oil. Move away when you are doing it because it will tend to splutter. Slowly the sound will die down, and then leave it again for another minute till it is all the bubbles totally stop and it is well fried. See, you can still find a little bit of bubbling. Wait till all the bubbling stops. See, the bubbling has come down now. Now you can carefully drain the chips out from the oil onto an absorbent paper. Nice crispy yellow banana chips or wafers. Similarly, make with all the remaining bananas also. Make one batch at a time. Slice them directly into the oil. Again, add a spoon of this salt water. See, the bubbling has died down. You can remove it from the oil. Likewise, do with all the remaining bananas also. Now we have completed making all the banana wafers or banana chips, lovely crispy banana chips, and with the right amount of salt which has been absorbed in the wafers. So this is the correct way of making the chips. But only 2 points for beginners. One is when you choose the raw banana, choose the firm green ones. They should not be ripened or yellowish on the outside. Secondly, when you are dealing with oil, be very careful, and especially when you are adding water to the oil. Many of you are beginners in the kitchen. Move a little away from the stove, don't hurt yourself, and enjoy these banana wafers. If you have some left for storing, transfer them to a box like this. Allow it to cool for some time, and then you can cover it. Don't cover it when it is still hot. So thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen and come back for many more tasty, yummy recipes. Thank you.